HTML tutorials part 1. I want to show you guys how to create a website within some few minutes, okay? Perhaps blogging. To create a website, just press Windows R on your keyboard to open the run prompt, then type in Notepad, okay? Notepad, or you just open Notepad. Good. Now you begin typing some codes, okay? This code is constant, okay? Good. Websites are made up of something called tags, okay? Perhaps HTML. And HTML means hypertext markup language, okay? Good. To create a website, you need to notice this code, that this code is constant, okay? Good. Now let me try saving this file. Save as, let me say saving to desktop, okay? I'll save it emmanuel.html. remember this extension .html, okay? Regardless of the name, any name you use to save this, you have to add .html. Assuming I'm saving this to desktop, okay, it says emmanuel.html. so when I hit save, good, let's visit desktop and see. This is it, Emmanuel, okay? The computer has already noticed that this is a browser, this is a web page, okay? So when you open it, definitely a browser will open, okay? Good. There is nothing in here because there is nothing between our HTMLs, okay? Good. So every website has got two parts, main parts: the header, which is the top here, and then the body, and everything goes inside the HTML, okay? Good. So I can go ahead and then add a header. Like I said, all websites are made from something called tags, okay? Good. So before I can insert a header from here, watch the browser very carefully. Let me close this and then open it again. From here, I can see that the title is C users commando desktop, you see? Good. So I can go ahead and edit this title from the notepad by typing these tags. I'll say head, then I close head, okay? Then in between the head, I can say title, then I close title, okay? Good. In creating a website using HTML codes, there are some things you need to note. Less than HTML, then greater than means I'm starting here, and then less than /HTML, greater than means I'm ending here, okay? So HTML starts here and then ends here, perhaps opens here and then ends here. So we call this opening tag and then this ending tag, okay? So from the head to, we have this as the opening tag and then this as the ending tag. The same thing applies to the title, okay? The title too has an opening tag here and then it has an ending tag, okay? Good. Now let me try and add something here in between the title. I can say registration forms, okay? Registration forms. Let me go ahead and then say save. Good. So when I refresh the browser, look at what will happen here. The title will change to registration forms, okay? You see that, registration forms. Good. So this is the head. There is nothing here because there is nothing, we haven't created a body yet, okay? We need to create a body. Now note the head is in between the HTML and then title 2 goes in between the head, okay? So body will come from this side. So I'll start by typing body as the opening tag, body. Then I need to close body. Okay, good. Now anything I type here is going to show up on the screen here. Okay, for instance, I am in the body. Okay, let me go ahead and then save this. Save. Now let me refresh the browser for you to see something. Refresh. You see that I am in the body. Okay, good. Like I said, websites are made up of something called tags. Okay, so you can't just write like this, I am in the body. Let me go ahead and then add another sentence. I am in the body. I'm happy to create a website. Let me go ahead and save this. Save. Now watch here. I am in the body is on one line, and then I'm happy to create a website 2 is on another line. Okay, but when I click save, look at what will happen when I refresh the browser. Good. It says I'm in the body. I'm happy to create a website. The browser doesn't know that what you wrote here is on 2 separate lines. It doesn't understand what you're saying, okay, unless you add tags to it. In that case, I can add a paragraph tag. Okay, so I can go ahead and then say P, there's a paragraph tag. I can add a paragraph tag from here, or I can delete everything. You don't have anything between the body yet. Okay, so let me save this for you to see something. Save. Let me refresh the browser. It has vanished. Okay, because there is nothing in the body here. Okay, good. Now the first tag I would like to show you is called header. H1. We have 6 types of header: header 1, header 2, header 3, up to header 6. Okay, so H1 is the first one. Then you close H1. So in between the H1, I can say welcome to my first website. Let me go ahead and say save. Now let me refresh the browser for you to see something. It says welcome to my first website, okay, which is written in bold sentence. Good. Let me go ahead and show you what the header 2 is. So I can say H2. It's not case sensitive, okay, whether you use capital or small letter, the browser will recognize it. Okay, so I'll say welcome. I'll say I'm happy to create a website. Okay, then I close H2. Good. Let me go ahead and save this for you to see something. Save. When I refresh the browser, I'm happy to create a website. You can see the difference from here, that H1 is bigger than H2. The same thing applies to H3. So H3 will be smaller than H2. So H3, that is header 3. Then you close header 3. Okay, in between it, I can write this is the third header. When I click save, look at what will happen when I refresh the browser. It says this is the third header. Okay, good. So header 1 to header 6, it varies in sizes. 1 is the biggest. Header 1 is the biggest. 2 is the next, and then it follows in the same sequence. Good. Now let me go ahead and then delete everything in the body. So when I save, click save, and then refresh the browser, everything should vanish because there is nothing in between the body here. Okay, good. Let me show you another tag aside the header. So I'll say H1, that is header 1. Then I close header 1, H1. Okay, good. H1. The difference between the opening